Hey guys, if you're playing Disney Solitaire on your phone, you've probably seen people talking about an easy way to collect extra stars and coins without grinding all day. I didn't believe it at first, but since it only takes a phone and a minute, I tested it myself. No PC, no complicated steps, just a simple in-game method that unlocks bonus rewards. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did, and then we'll check how many stars and coins it added at the end. Stick around. You might be surprised. The first thing you'll need is your user ID. You can usually find it on your profile page or somewhere in the settings menu. It only took me a minute to locate mine. Once I found it, I copied it and saved it for later. This part is quick and pretty straightforward. After that, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work fine. I searched for the website that people kept talking about. When it loaded, there were no pop-ups or weird redirects. The page looked clean and normal, which I honestly wasn't expecting. Once I landed on the site, I used the search bar to find the Disney Solitaire Stars and Coins tool. On the next screen, I chose my device. Android in my case, but iOS was there too. After that, I entered my player ID, made sure everything looked right, and tapped Continue. Next, it asked how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a test, I chose the maximum amount. After confirming, a few progress bars showed up, going through different steps of the process. Everything was explained clearly, so it was easy to follow. Right before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were simple and easy to understand. I already completed that part earlier, so let's jump straight to the results. To check the results, I opened Disney Solitaire and looked at my stars and coins. They were already added. No restart, no waiting. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. Based on my test, everything worked just like it was explained. The steps were easy, the site worked smoothly on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you followed the instructions. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.